Transferring your 401k to Fidelity can be a simple process if you follow a few key steps. First, if you don't already have an account with Fidelity, you'll need to open one. This can usually be done online through Fidelity's website. Once you've established your new account, the next step is to contact Fidelity directly. You can reach out to them either online or by calling their customer service. Fidelity will guide you through the process by providing the necessary forms and detailed instructions on how to transfer your 401k funds. After receiving the paperwork from Fidelity, you'll need to fill out the transfer forms. These forms will require information about your current 401k plan and where you want the funds to be transferred, typically into your new Fidelity account. Once completed, the next step is to submit these forms to your current 401k provider. This triggers the transfer request, and your current provider will then begin the process of sending your funds directly to Fidelity. Throughout the transfer process, it's important to monitor the progress to ensure everything goes smoothly. Both Fidelity and your current 401k provider should keep you updated on the status of the transfer. Once Fidelity receives the funds, they will notify you, and you can then start managing your retirement savings within your new Fidelity account. To ensure a seamless transfer, it's a good idea to contact both Fidelity and your current 401k provider early in the process. This will help you understand any specific requirements, timeframes, or fees associated with the transfer, giving you peace of mind as you move your retirement savings to a new home.